In 60 seconds, I'll show you how to fully uninstall and reinstall NVIDIA drivers. Step 1. Open Device Manager. Press the Windows key, type Device Manager, and open it. Locate Display Adapters, right-click the NVIDIA device, choose Uninstall Device and check Remove Driver Files if shown. Confirm the uninstall, then restart into safe mode. We'll use DDU to clean leftover files. Boot into safe mode by holding Shift and clicking Restart, then choose Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Startup Settings, and enable Safe Mode. Run Display Driver Uninstaller in safe mode, select NVIDIA from the drop-down, then click Clean and Restart. After reboot, visit nvidia.com/drivers and search for your GPU model. Download the latest Game Ready or Studio driver that matches your operating system. Run the NVIDIA installer, choose Custom Install, and check Perform a clean install before proceeding. Follow the on-screen prompts, watch installation progress, and allow the system to restart when prompted. Once back in Windows, open Device Manager to verify the NVIDIA driver is installed and the device shows working status. That's it. Uninstall with Device Manager, clean with DDU in safe mode, then reinstall from NVIDIA. You're done.